फ्रेंड्स, आज का हमारा डिस्कशंस का टॉपिक रहेगा फैटी एसिड्स एंड इट्स क्लासिफिकेशंस के बारे में। तो आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे फैटी एसिड क्या है और उसका वो डिफरेंट डिफरेंट टाइप का फैटी एसिड्स है, तो उसके बारे में हम डिस्कस करेंगे और उसके क्लासिफिकेशन देखेंगे। तो फैटी एसिड आर कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड्स विद द हाइड्रोकार्बन चेन्स ranging from 4 to 36 नंबर ऑफ द कार्बन्स। सो फैटी एसिड्स है, उसमें एक ग्रुप जो फंक्शनल ग्रुप रहता है वो कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड ग्रुप है। ये फंक्शनल ग्रुप है, वो कॉमन है सभी फैटी एसिड में। और बाकी जो भी फैटी एसिड है इसकी ये चेन्स में नंबर ऑफ द कार्बन्स आर डिफर्ड अकॉर्डिंग टू द टाइप ऑफ द फैटी एसिड। तो ये सभी फैटी एसिड में जो हाइड्रोकार्बन चेन है उसका नंबर ऑफ द कार्बन है वो वेरी करता है 4 से उससे ज़्यादा भी 36 तक। तो these are the in general this is the non-polar chain and this is the polar groups, and this is remains the functional group of the fatty acids. So in general, fatty acids are included in the group of the derived lipids. So it is a derived lipids. So when we classify the lipids, it comes in a derived lipid groups, and it is the most common components of the lipids in our body. तो ये सबसे कॉमन कंपाउंड है लिपिड्स में, एंड ये डिराइव्ड लिपिड्स में ये कंसिडर करते हैं, तो ये डिराइव्ड लिपिड में आता है। सो दे आर जनरली फाउंड इन एस्टर लिंकेज ऑफ डिफरेंट क्लास ऑफ द लिपिड्स। सो जो भी हम क्लासिफिकेशन लिपिड में देखते हैं, तो इसमें सिंपल लिपिड है, तो सिंपल लिपिड्स में इसका वो एस्टर लिंकेज रहता है ग्लिसरॉल के साथ। सो इट मे बी ए मोनो एसाइल ग्लिसरॉल और ट्राई एसाइल ग्लिसरॉल और डाइएसाइल ग्लिसरॉल, डिपेंडिंग ऑन द नंबर ऑफ द फैटी एसिड्स एस्ट्रिफाइड ऑन द ग्लिसरॉल मोलिक्यूल्स। सो ये एस्टर के रूप में एस्टर बॉन्ड ये COOH ग्रुप्स आर responsible for the ester linkage with the glycerol. So fatty acids are aliphatic carboxylic acids and have general formula, that is the RCOOH, where COOH there is the carboxylic groups present and it is the functional groups. Depending on the R groups, it is the hydrocarbon chain. So fatty acids are very with the its R groups, that is the hydrocarbon chain, and it is the classified in the number of the varies. So in generals, fatty acids are classified on the based on the total number of the carbons, depending on the even number of the carbons. So it is the even chain fatty acids and odd chain fatty acids. So in a even chain fatty acids, they have a carbon atoms like the 2, 4, 6. It is the even series. So when it is a carbon numbers is like an even series, it is known as the even chain fatty acids. And generally most of the naturally occurring fatty acids are the even chain fatty acids. So it is a common, even chain fatty acids are common in nature. Whereas the odd chain fatty acids, they have a carbon atoms like the 3, 5, 7. So this is the odd number. So odd number fatty acids are seen in the microbial cell walls. So it is not common in a human being or in a plant. So this is the most common is the even chain fatty acid, whereas the odd chain fatty acids are found in a specific type of the microbes or in a it is found in a microbial cell wall. Depending on the length of the hydrocarbon chains, it is also classified as a short chain fatty acids, medium chain fatty acids, long chain fatty acids, and very long chain fatty acids. So in a medium chain fatty acid or short chain fatty acid, short chain fatty acid may or 2 to 6 number of carbons atoms are present in their structures, whereas the medium chain fatty acids contain the 8 to 14 carbons atoms in their structures, whereas the long chain fatty acids, it contains the 16 and above number of the carbons, and usually up to the 24 number of the carbons present in a long chain fatty acids. Whereas the very long chain fatty acids are contains the more than 24 number of the carbons in their structure. So this is the based on the chain length, it is a classified as a short chain, medium chain, long chain and very long chain fatty acids. Then it is again classified based on the depending on the natures of the hydrocarbon change. So it may be a saturated fatty acid. So saturated fatty acids means that there if in their structures, if there are no double bonds in their structures, it is known as the saturated fatty acids. Whereas the unsaturated fatty acids, it contains a double bond in their structures in the specific number of the carbons. So it is again classified. Unsaturated fatty acids are again classified into the two groups, that is the mono unsaturated fatty acid as well as the polyunsaturated fatty acids, depending on the number of double bond present in their structures. If there is a one double bond present in their structures, it is known as the mono unsaturated fatty acid. If there are more than one number of double bonds are present in their structures, it is known as the polyunsaturated fatty acids. Another type of the fatty acids are the branch chain fatty acids. They are not common, and the hydroxy fatty acids. So these are the another two groups of the fatty acids depending on the nature of the hydrocarbon chain. So in general, saturated fatty acids, it contains no double bond in their structure. So if the general structures of the saturated fatty acid is the CH3, CH2 and carboxylic groups. For example is the acetic acid, butyric acid, palmitic acid, stearic acid. They are the example of the saturated fatty acids, and they are named by adding the suffix enoic after the hydrocarbon. So here the palmitoleic acid and stearic acids are example of the saturated fatty acids, and they are most abundant in fatty acids. So each animal species will have a characteristic patterns of the fatty acids compositions. As for example, the human body fats contains the 50% oleic acids, 25% palmitoleic acid, and the 10% of the linolenic acids, and 5% of the stearic acid. So this is the depending on the type of the organisms, it is a vary with the organisms. So fatty acids compositions is vary with the organisms. The carbon atom of the fatty acids are numbered by the giving the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 like that. So it is started from the carboxylic acid groups, then it is a given as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and if it is a started with the methyl end, then it is count as a omega 1, omega 2, omega 3, omega 4, omega 5, etc. So when if in an unsaturated fatty acid, if there are double bonds are present between the fifth and sixth carbon number of the uh, carbon number, then it is known as the delta 5, depending on the number of the carbons after which it contains a double bond. And when you count that is from the omega 3 fatty acids, so that means the it contains the after the third carbons of the omega carbons, it contains a double bond. So like that, yeah, this is a classified as for the unsaturated fatty acids. So these are the examples are given here for the saturated fatty acids and unsaturated fatty acids. So it is from the number of the carbons, it is ranging from the 12 to 24. So it is the lauric acid, myristic acid, palmitic acid, stearic acids. So 12 each to 0. That means there are no double bond in their structure. So these are the common structures of the fatty acids, and it is known as the dodecanoic acid. And for the myristic acids, it is known as the tetradecanoic acid. So likewise that the name is given, and uh, this means 0 means there are no double bond in their structure. So this is the example of the saturated fatty acid. So this is the also a example of the unsaturated fatty acid are given here. So palmitoleic acid. So when in the palmitic acids there are no double bond, and palmitoleic acids it contains a one double bond. So 16 each to 1, that means the one double bond are present in a fatty acids, and this 16 it denotes the total number of the carbons present in their structure. So these are palmitoleic acid and oleic acids are example of the monounsaturated fatty acids. Where are the rest of the fatty acids are comes under the polyunsaturated fatty acids. That means that it contains a number of double bonds are more than one. So linoleic acids, linolenic acids, and arachidonic acid. So it contains the 2, 3, and 4 double bond in their structure. So here you can count that it contains the double bond after the 7 plus 1, that is the 8 and 9. So it is the delta 9. So it is the known as the delta 9 hexadecanoic acid. So these figures 9 number shows the after the ninth number of the carbons it contains a double bond. So it is also a contains the after the double bond after the ninth carbon. So when you count from this side, so this is the 1 and into 5, that is the 6 and 7. So after the 7th omega, so this is the omega 7 fatty acids. So you can count from this side, this is omega 7. So here for the arachidonic acids, so it contains the double bonds starting from the 4 plus 1 plus 1, that means the 6. So this is considered as a omega 6 fatty acid. So this is the arachidonic acids. When you count from this side, it is the omega 6 fatty acids, and it contains the maximum number of the double bond in their structure, and it is considered as a essential fatty acid also. So this is the omega 6 fatty acids, and here you can count on the both the way. So from the delta sides, it contains a 5, 8, 11, and 14. So from this side, it contains this after this carbon, it contains a double bond. So these are the example of the saturated fatty acids, and these are the found in a these are the example of the unsaturated fatty acids. So moreover that if the double bond is present in their structures, they are exist in a two forms, that is the cis form as well as the trans form. So these are the all about the classifications of the fatty acids. So अगर आपको ये मेरा वीडियो पसंद आया है तो आप सब्सक्राइब बटन दबाना मत भूलिए. Thanks for watching. Thank you.